Hi, I'm Anupa. Let's quickly make a party snack. I've got potato, so let's make cheesy potato croquettes. So what we're going to do with the cheese is that we're going to grate this, and croquette, like I said, is an awesome party snack. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. And I've got some fresh herbs. So we've got some fresh oregano, we've got some thyme, and now let's just run our knife over the herbs so that you crush them, and all the herbs that we've chopped will now go into the cheese. Mix this up nicely. What you can do is you can take a portion of the stuffing and just press it lightly into a ball so that it becomes easier to stuff. So something like this. So what I have here is boiled and mashed potato, to which we'll add some salt and some black pepper. So just mix this up and take a portion of the potato filling, take it on your palm, press it up and make a little dent in the center. Take the cheese laddu, the cheese ball that we've made, keep it in the center like this, and now bring all the potato together. Now let's give it a shape of a croquette. We need an egg. So we've beaten the egg, let's put this aside, and now we'll take some dry flour onto the chopping board. Take one portion of the potato, and what we have to do is we have to now shape this into a croquette. So we have to give it this shape, roll it in flour like this. And now let's take some breadcrumbs. Now this into the egg, dust some crumbs over it, and now roll. So we've got a kadai here with oil, and we're going to deep fry the croquettes. After you make the croquettes, you can leave it in the fridge to rest for about an hour, and after that you can fry. Ensure that the oil is hot. Now very carefully, gradually the color of the coating that we've given of breadcrumbs has started to change, and you can see it's started to brown, and this is how it should be. All I'm doing is I'm just turning this so that I get this uniform color over the croquette. Once this is done, I have lined a plate here with some tissue so that this absorbs excess oil, and this is done. The potato croquettes are ready. It has that nice surprise element inside. Do try this recipe and don't forget to serve it for all your parties.